All right. So this brother says dating is a humiliation ritual. I don't know what that is, but brother, get that hair retwisted. Please get that thing retwisted. You know what I'm saying? I actually retwist my own hair, but please, y'all can't be out here looking broke, busted, and disgusted and talking about dating. That ain't it, my boy. That ain't it.
Dating is a humiliation ritual.
Is it?
So I gotta get your number, of course,
Okay.
plan the date, confirm the date.
Okay.
The day of the date, confirm with you that you're going to go to the date.
No.
Like, what am I, your secretary? I
I'm doing all
gotta
this.
plan the date, tell you when we're going to have the date, and the day of the date, you also want me to give you a reminder about the date. Like, am I a calendar app? That's like you telling a job interviewer, hey, you need to remind me the day of the job interview to show up.
They do that though. I don't know when the last time this brother done what's the name, but they will literally tell you, hey, you got a job interview Monday, 6 p.m. Then they will literally remind you the day before. I don't know about it, but they will literally remind you the day before. Some people or some companies actually allow you to put it in like Calendarly or whatever the name of that app is or whatever. But yeah, they do send reminders out about you having an interview. Sometimes they email, they even text. Jobs actually do that, but I'm letting
It
people.
makes no sense. Like, at this point, like, you want me to just take messages for you too? I'm telling you, as men, they're basically emasculating us in the process. Like, it's basically begging. When you got to text a girl a day of the date, hey, are we still good for today? You're begging. Like, you're on your knees crawling. It makes no sense. But, like, we're not going to tolerate this anymore. Trust fund baddies only that can move accordingly and move willingly.
So here's the thing, fam. You can't get on here looking any kind of way and try to make a list of demands, fam. Like that's not how you do things. Like for real. It's the reason why a lot of guys are out there struggling to get a date and struggling to get and keep a woman. Like what's the issue, man? Like with two-way communication. I'm like this, like yo, or I was like this. If we going out on a date, say for instance, I hit you up on Monday, yo, check Friday, 6:30. Either I'm picking you up or we meeting here. Cool, okay, cool. I ain't giving no damn reminder. Either you show up or you don't. I'm gonna have a good time regardless. Like what we, what we doing? What are we doing? Hey, I've already given you information. You know what I'm saying? If I get there, you ain't there, then you shout. If I get there, you ain't ready, then I'll sit. I'll sit and I'll wait a few minutes. I understand. Pretty women want to get pretty. They want to make sure everything is straight. Make sure that dress looking nice for me or what. Okay, cool, cool, cool. I'll wait a few minutes on that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I honestly could not agree. I can't agree with this guy. I cannot agree with really anything that he's saying. Like, bro, this is just basic stuff, man. Like, again, if you ask this young lady out on a date, what's wrong with just sitting a reminder here? They done made it to the point now where you don't even have to remember. You can just schedule a text message. Schedule that mug. All right, today, boom, 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 boom. Send that out. Like, the way that I have my life set up is completely different for everybody else. It's like this. I have plans of already doing things anyway. And what I can do is I can include you in those plans. So whether you show up or not, I don't give a damn. My life is still going to continue to roll the way that it's supposed to roll anyway. So if you show up, cool. We can sit down, we can have a date, communicate, do this, that, and the third or whatever. If you don't, cool. I still got other stuff lined up that I got to do throughout the day anyway. You know what I'm saying? But now, if for whatever reason you messed that up for yourself, now ain't no coming back. Ain't no coming back to the unless there was a hell of an emergency, which in most cases is not. If you messed that up, then that's on you. You got to make sure that you have your priorities in order, have your priorities straight. If you're not ready to date, if you if you can agree to something and not stay committed to that doggone agreement, and you're gonna be making excuses, that already lets me know what type of person I'm dealing with right now. I'm good. I'm good, fam. But y'all let me know. What do you guys think about this guy? I was about to call him Buns off of Booty Call because he kind of put me in the mind of what's the name, Jamie Foxx a little bit with the hair. But yeah, y'all let me know. What do you guys think about this? Is dating a humiliation ritual? What do you guys think? Drop it down in the comments, man.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was you know they roll.